Hi boys and girls. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve quadratic equations by completing the square. So you should complete the square. So in the previous classes, I said the general form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, and c are constants. But a should not be equal to 0. Why? If this a is equal to 0, it becomes a linear equation. So, if you want to solve a quadratic equation by completing the square, there is a condition. There is a condition. The condition is this. The coefficient of x squared should be equal to 1. So this is the condition. The coefficient of x squared should be equal to 1. Here, the coefficient of x squared is what? Is 2. The coefficient of x squared is what? Is 2. So I am going to factor out 2. I am going to factor out 2. So if you factor out 2 here, you will remain with 2 open brackets here. I'm going to write x squared plus x divided by 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. Here we are. See, if you multiply this, if you expand this, you should get this. So 2 times x squared, I'm going to get 2x squared. 2 times x divided by 2, I'm going to get x. 2 times negative 3, I'm going to get negative 6. Here we are. You find half of the coefficient, half of the coefficient of x. So here the coefficient of x is half. If you check, the coefficient of x here is half. So you are supposed to find half. So half times half. Okay, what is the answer? This is equal to 1 divided by 4. You square this value. You square. Okay, so you are supposed to square this value. So if you square 1 by 4 to the power 2, this will give you 1 by 16. So what do you do with this 1 by 16? What do you do with this 1 by 16? See, this is 2 multiplied by this one is equal to 0. So I am going to divide both sides by 2. So if you divide both sides by 2, here you are going to remain with x squared plus x divided by 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. This is, what is this? This is the square, right? So you add this square and subtract this square. So this is x squared plus x divided by 2. So I am going to add 1 by 16, then minus 3. Then I'm going to subtract this 1 by 16, which is equal to 0. So you add and subtract. Now, if you factorize this, you are going to remain with x plus 1 by 4 to the power what? To the power 2. Okay, minus, this is over 1. So this is negative. Okay, like this you can write plus, then divided by, okay. The LCM of 1 and 16 is 16. 1 into 16, what is the answer? It's 16. 16 times negative 3, what is the answer? This is negative 48. Okay. 16 into 16, what is the answer? This is 1. 1 times negative 1, what is the answer? This is negative 1. So this is equal to 0. Here we are. So x plus 1 by 4 to the power 2 plus. This is what? This is negative 49 divided by 16 is equal to 0. Okay. So if you bring this negative 49 divided by 16 to this side, it becomes what? It becomes a positive. So this is x plus 1 divided by 4 to to the power 2 is equal to 49 divided by 16. Suppose you want to remain with x plus 1 by 4 on the left hand side. You find the square root of the left hand side, you find the square root of the right hand side. So this x plus 1 by 4 is equal to, whenever you are taking the square root, you have the positive and the negative square root of 49 by 16. This is x plus 1 by 4 is equal to plus or minus. What is the square root of 49? This is 7. What is the square root of 16? This is 4. So x is equal to negative 1 by 4 plus or minus 7 by 4. So either x is equal to 1 by 4 plus 7 by 4, or x is equal to negative 1 by 4 minus 7 by 4. This is equal to 7 plus 1, this is 8 by 4, or x is equal to negative 8 by what? This is negative 8 by 4. You divide here by 4, you are going to get a 2, here you are going to get a 2. So x is equal to 2, or x is equal to negative 2. X is equal to plus or minus 2. This is the final answer. Okay. X plus 1 by 4 is equal to plus or minus 7 by 4. Here, x is equal to negative 1 by 4 plus or minus 7 by 4. See, here I made a mistake. This is x is equal to negative 1 by 4. So this will give you what? This will give you 6 by 4. Okay, yes. 7 subtract 1, this is 6 by 4. Now you reduce this, you are going to get 3 by 2, which is what? Sorry. So this x is equal to 1, 5, or x is equal to 2. This is the final answer. Thank you.